I'd like to introduce to you our 105-inch interactive flat panel display. So with this model, you can use it in either education or in a business setup. So I'll just quickly go through the different features that it has. Starting from the software, this is running Android 10, and the configuration is 6 plus 64 of RAM and storage. And the screen itself is 5K with an aspect ratio of 21:9. Looking at this model, also we can speak about you can either configure it to have additional speakers on the top side with 20 watt on each side, making it 40 at the top, and at the bottom the standard is 15 by 15, making it 30. So the total screen can have 70 watt speakers, and also it has inbuilt camera and inbuilt microphones in it. So I'll just quickly go through the functions of the screen and then show you the features which are there. So I'll just start at the bottom with the file manager, where you can access the different content like your pictures, video, documents, or you can, when you connect your external storage like your USB, it can be detected there, then you can open the content. You also have the casting function, which you can use your mobile phone to connect to the screen, or external devices like your computer, or you can use a click and share dongle to pair with the screen and then cast using your laptop. Also on cell phone, for the cell phone function, you can use either Android or your iPhone. Coming to the whiteboard function, this supports 20 touch point, and just show a case. Select the pen, and for now, since it's just me, this is like 10 touch point, and you also have functions for palm recognition to erase the screen, or you can also select the selection option where you select the area and delete, or you can delete the whole page. You can also like do or undo, like whatever action that you would have done. On the pen function, I didn't showcase the different pen options which are there. You have different pen options, and you have like a mode which is called art mode, and the pen will also be different. Then this is the normal writing mode, of which you can select three different types of pens. This is the highlighter, and also a different type of pen. You can select the pen color and the thickness of, let's say I can select yellow, reduce the thickness, and then right. Also, I can change the background of the screen. You can change it to, for example, like this. You can also add some symbols. So I can add a square. And you can also select the square if you want to move it. Select it and move it to a different position or back. You can also insert, let's say if it's a picture, you can insert the picture from your storage. So if I have maybe from the USB or saved onto the screen, you can import directly from here. We can also import, let's say if it's a football team, you can import this, like the stadium pitch, and then maybe highlight on the strategy that you want to use to attack the opponent. You can also save the content on email, save to the screen, or you can share by generating a QR code. So if people are connected to the same Wi-Fi, they can just receive the content. You can add the different pages, and you have them listed here. You can also have another option to click on the postal. So now it's on annotation mode. So I can annotate directly from the whiteboard, and I can interchange again and go back to the whiteboard, and this is the same whiteboard that I was working on. This is the first page. Apart from that, you also have the applications, so you can install different applications from your Play Store, and you can also open videos from YouTube. You can browse from Chrome. This model has inbuilt camera, so you have the camera option, which you can see. So you can see my colleague. Apart from this, you also have features on the side, on either side of the screen, where you can access different functions. The top option being to go back, then the home screen. Then if you have multiple projects open, you can be able to see them from this. You can access the different ports that are connected to the screen. You can also annotate. This is like the annotation. So you open the last annotation that I was working on, so I can choose to save it and then share it with the different individuals. You can access the different also options which are there on the screen. So like your casting, you can access the settings, the timer, like to turn on and off the screen, the screenshot, the note, which is the annotation mode, camera, then voting option. You can also increase volume and decrease volume directly from here, and the brightness of the screen. You can also have like voice controls, so you can control you also have more options at the bottom here where you can adjust the eye comfort, and also like the screen. If you wanted to identify what device is connected, you can just select to turn it off. Last option is to select if you want to split the screen, so you can select, let's say, 2 applications, and then you can have them open on either side, and you can interchange them to search and find whatever content that you want to do with. Then you can also come here and do the same if it's connected to the internet, and you can choose to split the screen in a different way from the option. Like, so now I've minimized this, and this is the main screen. I can also change how it appears to be side by side, or I can then just close everything and we go back to the home screen. Also, you have the shortcut menu where you can slide up and you can access different options, and I can interchange to go to the OPS directly from here. And as you see, when it converts to the screen, it will indicate the resolution of the screen. As you can see, 5K. You go back to your home screen. Also, you can go to open the settings on the screen. So under settings, there are different options which are there. As you can see, like you can change the sound, the blue light filter, how the display boots. You can also customize your home screen, and also like your screensaver and the floating menu if you want it to be there or not to be there, like your network, and that also includes like Bluetooth, and you can share files between your 2 devices to the screen. You also have like optimization of the screens faster and all. You can close some applications directly from here. Then here you can access the storage, and you can see what is occupied by what. You can also change the dates, and also there's language, and it supports up to about 26 different languages which are available. So you can change according to, so if I can change to Spanish, so the screen now is in Spanish. Let's go back to English. And then the last option is to see like the system information, the name of the screen, the Android that you're processing, the RAM and storage, and the CPU and GPU information you can access from.